This is what the car looks like. Alright, so what is up, you guys? It has been a while since I've made a video about my car, and this is going to be like a huge leap in the build so far. The car is not finished from being at Melvin's shop, but we decided to like make it runnable for an event, and we are at Piedmont right now. As you guys can see, the cars behind me. I don't know if I pointed at it, but yeah, so we're at Piedmont. I got my car here, it's runnable. I'm drifting it. I'm going to show you guys everything that's been done to it so far. Hopefully you guys can hear me over all the cars and everything out here. So yeah, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so starting from the rear. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got some underglow. You can see a little bit of purple right there. That's like a random thing. Has nothing to do with like the crash and the fix and all that stuff. Okay, and then moving up front. This is what it's looking like right now. This is what the car looks like. Freaking battle mode, son. So, alright, what we got going on up here. I wish I had a hood prop, but I don't. But okay, so I'm gonna try and do this. I also got hood pins, as you guys may notice. New addition since I don't have a hood latch anymore. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It looks a little rigged up right now with the harness and everything. I plan to do a harness tuck, but yeah, she's coming together, you guys. If you guys have any questions or see anything, leave a comment. Yeah, like if you guys want to question anything that I got going on here. But so I'm gonna drop this right fast. So he has that main hoop that goes around. It's not all one piece. He had the two pieces that was coming out, like you'd seen in the previous video. He had the radiator support, and then what you guys haven't seen is that he added this bar in right here, which goes to the plates up there. Yeah, he put that on both sides, and then he put an upper bar, which is removable. So if I wanted to do an engine swap, I can just take that bar out right there, where the hood pins are. And got my headlight brackets, which the headlights are already fitted up and everything. It's just I didn't see the point in running them for this event, so we just pulled them off. They're super simple to pull off. And also for my suspension work, he did a little bit of a thing. He gave me some lower control arms, some 40 mil extended ones, so that's why I have freaking crazy camber up front now, and I'm loving it. I've always wanted that look for the drift car, and it actually helps with my steering traction. So when I go full lock up front, I'll actually have a full flat tire on the ground basically. So not a flat tire, but like my contact patch will be flat. It ain't gonna be all cambered out like this when I'm at full lock, so that helps. So that's basically what's going on. I'll probably do a more in-depth video, but right now I'm out here trying to drift and just feel the car out, because it's a totally different setup in the front and the weight's a little bit different, and oh shit, I totally forgot to tell you guys. I'm running a 4.6 Diff in the rear, which is an upgrade from the 4.08 Diff, which is stock, I think that's what it is, 408. So 4.6 Diff, I have more torque in the rear, but less horsepower, like less top end speed, more torque. And that's a huge learning curve for me right now. And then also I've swapped out all my springs on my coilovers, and I went up to 10K fronts, 8K rears, and that's also adding to the huge learning curve that I'm doing right now. And it's raining out here, but I'm gonna get a couple clips for you guys, and then yeah, I guess I'll end out the video and make a full update video for you guys in the future when the car's out of the shop. Alright you guys, so this is my second lap. I didn't film the first one, but the first one was really shitty. I spun out like once and I straightened up a good bit. So basically what I got going on, I don't know if I explained it to you guys already, but I have stiffer springs all the way around now, and I'm running a 4.6 diff, so I have more torque. And yeah, so, and I'm lower down, so I'm lower to the ground. I don't know if that has like a huge like factor in this, but yeah. So I have all three of those factors I'm putting into this like new setup, and I'm trying to go at it in the rain, so I'm a little bit all over the place, but yeah.
Sick as shit.
Alright, I'm getting the hang of it.
Can you make it down the hill farther?
Huh?
Or can you come down the hill further?
Yeah, I lit off halfway down. I just literally slide.
It just like slides all the way down. That's crazy. Hell yeah. Shit's dope. Yeah, super slick. Alright, the last lap I spun out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 2 clicks on soft, and hopefully that helps. Saying yank the e-brake?
Yeah, yank the e-brake.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. The minute the part bogs out, it's useless.
Yeah, okay.
That's why you yank it back up to get you in the second.
They make it like super suspenseful.
Yeah, fucking just waiting.
Like right when you're like the front of the line and then they stop it, it's like,
Yep.
oh no.
Alright, here we go.
Getting the hang of it.
You getting it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me hop in then. Let me go grab my helmet. Ah! You're good? The battery, all good now.
Yep. The battery and that connection. I was over there like scratching the inside of it with like a screwdriver to try and scruff it up a little bit.
Damn.
Straight easy.
I